So now let us explore the view options that Snagit editor provides us with. So in order to access the view options, you simply go to view right here, and there's different options that you can work with. So over here, the first option is zoom in. So you can see that a shortcut is here on the side. So control plus is what zooms in, control minus is what zooms out, just like that. So just like that, you can zoom in and zoom out, just like that. If you were to go to zoom to fit right here, it fits out in the area which is available right here on the screen. You can also shrink to fit right here, just like that. So you can enable shrink to fit to shrink out the image, just like that. You can also go to actual size, and then it goes on to the actual pixel size of the screen. There's another option called pixel grid. So if I were to really zoom this in right here, you don't see any pixels right here, but everything is blurred out. You can see the pixels, but you can see that they are joined together. But if I were to enable pixel grid, you can see the grid of the pixels itself on what individual pixels look like. So you want to edit out individual pixels right here, then you can enable this grid to help you out, just like that, as you can see. You can see the layout of the pixels right here. So just like that, you can turn that on and off. If you were to zoom out right here, the pixel grid, even if it is on, you won't see anything. Then you can work around with the background color. So if I were to go around over here onto the background color can be black, it can be dark gray, and it can be other color, custom colors that you want right over here. So you can go around, choose any color as per what you want, and then select the background color as well. In my case, I'm just going to stick to the default right here. Then you can access the effects panel from over view as well, and then you can access the properties panel as well. You can also enable or disable sidebar from over here. You can look at the details of this image as well, as you can see. So this has been taken in application Firefox. This is the URL of the screenshot right here, and the date created and everything else. Dimensions and everything else. You can see the properties in the details section. You can go to library panel from the view section as well, just like that. And then you can see the recent captures right over here. You can enable and disable the recent capture, that is the tray. And then you can pin the recent captures right over here, just like that, and change out its area right over here as well. You can pin it out or unpin it out right over here so that it minimizes and comes up like this. And these are the different view options that is provided in Snagit editor to work with it in different ways. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.